I need more. If I'm gonna be mixing, what am I gonna mix with? A spoon. That spoon. I wanna squish it. I wanna touch it.
That's good.
Blue. I'm using green. Best part. 1, 2, 3. How much? 4. There. Now mix. I want to play with the goo. Woo! Oh my cool. Look at mine. Look at mine. Sasha, look at this. Sasha. Easy, easy. Add a different color in it. Like I feel like I want to mix a different color in it. I want to eat it. But we already mixed it. This looks way better.
Oh,
look at this.
Oh my god.
Oh, color before.
Mine looks like your color.
No, it doesn't.
No. Made a brain.
You don't have a brain.
Oh.
Oh, you just have to squish it a lot. And then it will work. Doesn't that look like a brain?
It's so mushy.
Kind of looks like dough. It kind of looks like cookie dough. What? Shouldn't have done that. It definitely smells like slime.
Ew. Slime's supposed to be slimy because that's why it's called slime.
But mine, what happened to it?
How long did it take to make slime?
2 minutes.
$10 minutes.
That's even more than 2 minutes.
Yeah, I think everybody knows that.
Not everyone.
Sure.
A baby. Duh.
1, 2, 3. Action.
Subscribe. Tell us what you want to do next. Leave it in the comment down below.
Leave in the comment down below.